Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great other in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Ford Super Duty F-550 DRW. This Ford is powered by rear-wheel drive V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 139,033 miles. Unleash power and performance with this 2016 Ford Super Duty F-550 DRW. Perfect for heavy-duty tasks, featuring robust towing capacity, spacious interior, and reliability. Ready for any job? Don't miss out, schedule your test drive today. This pre-owned Super Duty F-550 DRW comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with alloy wheels. Safety was put first by the following features: ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.